2, 3, funky.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I'm going to be going over the key differences between a parallel and a series circuit, something like that. Just basically series and parallel circuits. So yeah, let's get started. So number one is asking if this circuit is a series or parallel circuit, and it is a series because it's all the way connected. You see how the battery, the lamp, and which is also known as the light bulb, and the switch, they're all connected. So that makes it a series circuit. If anything amongst this circuit were to break, the whole thing would shut down. And there's something important to know. So number two, according to the diagram above, with the bulbs light up and Y, so the lamps in the diagram also refer to the bulbs. So, it wouldn't light up, and the reason being is because your switch is open. You see how the switch is kind of like up and it's open and not like closed, so it's making a gap in the circuit, so meaning now there's a gap in there, so all the electricity cannot flow through, so obviously it's not going to be on, so it's not going to light up. So your answer was no, because the switch is open. Number three, if we close the switch but lamp A is broken, what will happen to lamp B and C? So both of them are not going to work. Like I said, if anything among it is broken, the whole thing is not going to work. And that's a disadvantage of having a series circuit. If one thing breaks, the whole thing breaks. So none of them are going to work. So basically, even though you close the switch and it should be on, it's broken, so the whole thing's broken. Okay, number four, this is the diagram. The switch is open and all that. If we close the switch but lamp B is broken, what will happen to lamp A and C? Again, none of them are going to work because one of the lamps are broken, even though there should be electricity running through because it's closed. Number five, if we close the switch but lamp C is broken, what will happen to lamp A and B? Imagine the switch is closed, lamp C is broken. Predict what will happen to lamp A and B. These are kind of repetitive, but it's trying to get in your head. None of them are going to work against your circuit. It's not going to work. Number six, now we have a new circuit. It looks way different from this one, as we can see. So this is a parallel circuit. So there's different branches in the circuit now. So there's multiple different ways that electricity can get throughout the circuit. So it makes it a parallel circuit. So if one thing breaks, it doesn't necessarily have to affect the other ones. So if lamp B were to break, it's not going to affect lamp A and C. Unless your actual circuit breaks in a particular position, then it could affect the whole thing. But probably 9.5 out of 10 times, if one lamp breaks, it's not going to affect the other one. So in the diagram above, will the bulbs light up in Y? Well, yes, because nothing is broken anywhere, so wire is not broken, and there's a source. You see the little thing right here? Yeah, that is your little battery, and that's the source of I don't know if it's source of, should I say energy? I probably shouldn't say that, but there's a source and the wires are not broken, so yes, it should work. In the diagram above, this is the same question, but there's different options. So yes, because it has three bulbs, and you can just cross out C and D because the answer should be yes. But option A was more specific because it told you there was also a source, and just because there's three bulbs doesn't mean it's gonna light up. If there's no batteries to like fuel it, I guess it's not gonna light up. So yep. Number eight, if lamp A is broken, lamp B and C, they're going to work. Again, just because one lamp is broken in a parallel circuit doesn't mean it's going to affect the other ones. So they're going to work. So lamp B and C will work. If lamp B is broken, lamp A and C will. So your lamp B is broken, but your source can also still get to lamp A and C with the wires and stuff. So they're both going to work regardless. If your lamp C is broken, what's going to happen to lamp A and B? They're both still going to work. Which of the following statement is correct? A series circuit has only one path for current to flow through, but a parallel circuit has more than one path for current. And that's true, which is why with parallel, even if one lamp is broken, there's multiple other paths for current to flow through, which is why it would work regardless. C and D were automatically not right because parallel is going to have more than one path, and series is always going to have one. So if you read through those, you're going to see why those are not right. And the last question, which of the following is correct? Current is the same throughout a series. Voltage is the same. This was just something you basically had to know. And your answer was current is the same throughout a series circuit because it's the same current flowing all throughout. And voltage is the same throughout a parallel because voltage is the same flowing through all of those paths. Never mind, whatever. Okay, but yeah, that's your answer, and that's the end of the video, and I hope you guys learned something new, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.